Breathing. It's something we do without even thinking about it, like blinking or yawning. These actions are so automatic we often take them for granted. But have you ever stopped to consider the amazing journey air takes as it enters your body? It all starts with a simple breath. You might breathe in through your nose, where tiny hairs filter out dust and dirt like a sieve. Or maybe you take a big gulp of air through your mouth, perfect for when you're out of breath after a good run. Either way, the air doesn't stay in your nose or mouth for long. It travels down a tunnel called the trachea or windpipe. Think of the trachea as a slide for the air, leading it down into your chest. It's amazing how our bodies are designed, isn't it? The air then travels through a series of branching tubes called bronchi, which lead to even smaller tubes called bronchioles. These bronchioles end in tiny air sacs called alveoli, where the magic really happens. In the alveoli, oxygen from the air passes into your blood, and carbon dioxide from your blood passes out to be exhaled. This exchange of gases is crucial for keeping us alive and functioning. It's amazing how our bodies are designed, isn't it? Breathing might seem simple, but there's a lot going on inside us. So next time you take a breath, remember the incredible journey that air takes through your body. The trachea is a sturdy tube, essential for our breathing process. It serves as the main passageway for air to enter and exit our lungs, kept open by rings of cartilage. These rings ensure that the trachea remains open, preventing any collapse that could obstruct airflow. At the end of the trachea, the airway splits into two branches called bronchi, which serve as the main passageways into the lungs. Imagine the trachea as the trunk of a tree, and the bronchi as the branches, delivering air to each lung. These tiny tubes finally lead to the alveoli, which look like clusters of tiny balloons. The alveoli are the stars of the respiratory system, the place where the magic of breathing truly happens. Imagine millions of these tiny delicate sacs, all clustered together like grapes on a vine.
Surrounding the alveoli is a network of tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Here, the air you breathed in finally meets your blood. But not just any part of your blood, the red blood cells. These cells are like tiny delivery trucks, carrying oxygen to all parts of your body.
Section 4. Trading places. Oxygen in, carbon dioxide out. This section will take you on a journey through the fascinating process of gas exchange in your lungs.
The alveoli and capillaries work together like a well-choreographed dance. These tiny structures in your lungs are essential for breathing and ensuring your body gets the oxygen it needs. Oxygen from the air you breathed in passes through the thin walls of the alveoli and into the capillaries. This process is incredibly efficient, allowing oxygen to quickly enter your bloodstream.
This is where the red blood cells are waiting, eager to snatch up the oxygen. These cells are always ready to grab the oxygen molecules and transport them throughout your body. They are like tiny magnets, attracting the oxygen and holding onto it tightly. This magnetic attraction ensures that the oxygen is securely carried to where it is needed most.
At the same time, the red blood cells drop off something else, carbon dioxide. This gas is a byproduct of the body's metabolic processes and needs to be expelled. This is the waste product of your body's processes, like breathing and digesting food. Removing carbon dioxide is crucial for maintaining the body's pH balance and overall health.
It's like the red blood cells are taking out the trash, leaving behind the unwanted carbon dioxide. This ensures that your body remains clean and free of harmful waste products, and picking up the fresh, clean oxygen. This continuous cycle of gas exchange is vital for your survival, keeping your cells energized and your body functioning optimally.
Section 5. Breathing easy, the circle of life.
Now, the carbon dioxide travels the opposite way, from the capillaries to the alveoli, up the bronchi, through the trachea, and out of your body when you exhale.
And just like that, with each inhale and exhale, you've completed the cycle of breathing. This constant exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide keeps your body running smoothly.
Breathing truly is a magical process, essential for life. So, take a deep breath and appreciate the incredible journey happening inside you right now.